As you can see, guys, I place over her. People playing right there in the downstairs. I feel ano, the woman right there, oh, like a video. I'm playing over there, oh, in the building right there. Very tall building. 30, and I think some is maybe more than 30, guys. I don't know. But this building, when we stay, is 30 building. Right there. We do that live later, guys. This one very tall, oh. Right there, that is the school, guys. Over there. That is the school. People go. And this is our condo, guys. So you can sit over here. Oh. Yeah, you can sit right here. This is our condo. We have cabinet right there. Pasensya na kayo, guys. We put the lots over there. Have cabinet over there, but I'm not put the cabinet.
We also have learned in the days since the first shooting in Minneapolis that there are groups
Ang washing machine. Our stuff over there. Also this. Rip. We need to go to shopping tomorrow, guys. Grocery, because we stay here for more than 2 weeks. Buy it downstairs. Oh my God. That one. Chair.
It's getting worse and worse and more dangerous for these agents by the day. We don't know the details, but if the reports are accurate, this guy came out with a shovel. He's in the country illegally. He's from Venezuela.
This is the bathroom. I need to. Yeah. The bathroom is big naman siya. Okay. And that's it, guys. Very nice. Still have Christmas light. I think they removed some of the Christmas light. Hi guys, and good morning and welcome to our channel. It's like in the D1, guys. First morning here in Venice. 7:20 AM na, guys. Outside, guys, 80. The weather is 80, but here inside, guys, is weather so very nice. Anyway, last night, I'm not using aircon, guys. Weather is so good. Even no aircon. I have mirror over here. Mirror, mirror. Thank you so much, guys, sa mga viewer and subscriber. I like this mirror, guys. So nice. Nice mirror. I need to make coffee. Making coffee. We bought this water guy in the marketplace. It later. The cost is guy, 99 pesos. But in Arista, this guy, in the grocery there, 116 or 108. Something like that guy. I think 116 because we pay 108 the other the 7 liter. Mm. Mas cheaper guy. Let's make coffee. Coffee time. Hello guys, good morning. And the first day here in Venice. First morning, let's drink coffee in the balcony guys. Usually our sleep is very nice. The bed is not bad. So the bed in Arista guy, I hurting my arms. And also my husband hurting also her back because the bed is hard. And also guys, first night here, I'm not on the aircon. The weather is nice, it's not cold, it's not hot. I think because I'm in the 10th floor until 22nd floor, the, the condo until 24th floor. Some people playing downstairs guys. That is playground over there. This is our guys. If I go look outside guys, you feel dizzy. Hmm. Yeah, over there. That area. Usually very tall guys. That in front of me, the building in that, so very tall. Oh. I don't know. I don't know how much floor that, how many floor that. Very tall. Yeah. And downstairs. Amazing. The cleaner is mopped the whole way over there outside. Oh. They do mopping there. Kuya mopping right there. Oh. I saw him po guys. Where is Kuya? Huh? Yeah. They mop the whole way. Oh. Hard working. On the other side right there. Over there. That area guy over there have a big screen. McKinley. This is Venice area guy. Where's that the story? That the store McDonald right there. Hi guys, we here na at the house guys. Unboxing tayo guys from SM Aura. We need to unboxing this guys. This one is Pura bread. This is really good guys. You like that. And of course, my husband's favorite Liz barbecue flavor. And the next, we buy this guy for emergency. Chicken noodles. Really good guy. I like that. And of course, I have coffee. Coffee Co Blanca. And of course, I have Malunggay coffee. We need to bring this guy to the US. And of course, my husband coffee. Gourmet Farms coffee. Another one. I got Magic Sarap because we need to bring this to the US. Magic Sarap. And also lemongrass tea and mangosteen tea. I'm looking banaba guys, but I'm not fan of it. And this one's Snacko vegetable chips. And we got Milo. Have Milo guys. And of course this one. This one is the seasoning. Mamacita's adobo seasoning. This one chili seasoning. And the other one is sinigang sampalok and ginataang gulay. And then, of course, this one is bathroom tissue. And of course, this one is cake, pancake and Ritz, original Ritz. And of course, we have beef bro. And we buy again W sauce because our W sauce. Oh my god, I forgot in the other condo guys. Some of the stuff over there in the cabinet. I forgot guys. Over there left is Anchor butter and the cheese and of course the hash brown. Put in the rip later. And of course this one olive oil and also this pancake syrup. And the onion and the orange. And of course tomato and the slice of watermelon. Another one is Yakult and the chili ball. Chili ball. Ay, no. Chicken noodle soup. And green and red Lego sardines, guys. We put na lang over here. Usually, we bring this in the US, guys. I bring some and this one deodorant and the trash bag. And this one, only one instead of three because run out of cash. Yeah. And that's it, guys. We spend this guy is 4,000 everything. 4,106. And that's it for unboxing, guys. And tomorrow, we need to go into Landers or in Isar buy chicken and the ground beef. And that's it, guys. That everything, guys, over there. Some of that bring to the US. The sardine. And this one. That one. And that's it, guys.